You will be a lucky one if you're able to get even a single unit in this new launch. It comes by a government developer with the most flexible payment plan of paying only 10% down and in the best location close to everything, especially next to the metro station. This developer projects are so high in demand that they get sold out on the launch date itself. Hence, it's extremely challenging to get a single unit in this project. Hi everyone, myself Chelsea Kukreja, your Dubai real estate expert, and in today's video, I am bringing to you a very affordable project by a government developer. Checks everything that you're looking for in Dubai. The best location next to metro station, close to everything around, in a proper community, not just a standalone tower, and with a flexible payment plan where you don't have to pay 20% down payment, but only 10%. This project is just 30 minutes to the downtown Dubai, 40 minutes to existing Dubai airport, 20 minutes to upcoming Palm Jabal Ali, and just 20 minutes to upcoming Dubai International Maktoum Airport. So this project is called Boulevard Park and it is a part of Wasl Gate community built by Wasl Properties, a government developer. Now talking about the project, it's a part of a community which is framed between a 64,000 square meters central park and a 710 meters lifestyle boulevard, and it is positioned in Jabal Ali on the Sheikh Zayed Road itself and has a direct access to the Energy metro station minutes away from Al Maktoum Airport and Expo 2020. This property has close proximity to many of the things you need in your day-to-day life, from malls, supermarkets, schools, parks, kids play area, metro, and a lot more. So let's see what this builder has developed in the past. So they are the largest landlord in all of Dubai and have been in the market for more than 15 years. They have delivered 56,000 plus units, 1,000 plus buildings, 8 golf courses, 35 hotel and apartments, 4 freehold master developments, and have developed over 400 million square feet of land. If you look at their extensive portfolio, this is where they're all present. You look at the locations: Indira, 372 buildings, Mushrif, Bardubai, Russell Khor, Jumeirah, Zabil, and Jabal Ali. So these are all where they have delivered and how many units. Now let's understand the importance of this location, what's in your neighborhood, and what to expect in the future in terms of connectivity. Now let's see the location on the map. So this is your existing Dubai International Airport. Right here is your Burj Khalifa and downtown. Moving down towards Dubai South, this is the upcoming Dubai International Airport where government is spending billions on the infrastructure. This is the upcoming Palm Jabal Ali, twice the size of Palm Jumeirah, and will have 80 plus resorts and a lot of land for beachfront. So now if we zoom in here, and I'll take you to the exact plot. This is your Emirates Hills. That's your Palm Jabal Ali industrial area. Just here, it's right next to all of the developed areas, plus next to the running Sheikh Zayed Road. So this community is attached to Sheikh Zayed Road, and you already have existing metro station, which is the Energy Metro. It's already running. We're not talking about any future metro stations coming in. So this is the exact plot location, which is nestled very well inside the community, right on the park. Entire area is called the Wasl Gate. Already has many villas and townhouses delivered here. Now let's see the importance. First one, of course, being Etihad rail connectivity. It is going to pass through this location. Second, Energy metro station is going to be right next. Third, you have Gurdwara, the Hindu temple. Again, these are the only two in all of Dubai. If anybody wants to go to a Gurdwara or temple, they have to come to this area. And you have a church here. So all three exactly in one place, and which is just minutes away from this location. Plus you have the Festival Plaza. You have IKEA right here. So there are only 2 IKEAs in Dubai, one here and one next to the Festival City. So if you see, right here is going to be the plot location. You're minutes away from the Palm Jabal Ali. You're minutes away from the Expo City, where many exhibitions are going to take place every day and will entertain thousands of visitors. So even if you're buying for a long-term rental perspective, it's going to be very good. Plus it's a family community. So even if you're looking for your end use for your own family, it's still a very good investment. Plus you're getting good sizes, good prices, best payment plan, and a government builder. So it adds all of it to it. It is very good for short-term rentals also, purely because it's next to the metro station, so anybody can take the metro and reach to all of the tourist spots. And very good even if you're taking smaller units for bachelors who will be traveling by metro and going to their offices. Plus you are minutes away from the Javza, where more than 100,000 people are already employed, are working and are traveling. And this is an industrial area which means that there are no good accommodations. Plus on this patch again, it's almost an industrial area. Plus this is going to be a port. So for all the people who are working in Javza, this is going to be a perfect location. Now talking about the configuration, it's a set of 5 buildings with 8 towers and has a height of G+5 and G+13 to 36 depending on building to building. If we talk about amenities, you have a multi-purpose hall, swimming pool for adults, children, gym, kids play area and a lot more. So this is a sample apartment in one of their projects, so you can just have an idea of the quality and the finishing that they use and the kind of kitchens, fittings, everything. You will not have the same layout, it keeps changing, but this is just to show the kind of apartments they make and the layouts they give. So this is the type of bedroom, comes with attached cupboards. So in most of their units you have an extra storage room. That's a washroom. And this is the master bedroom with walk-in closet and attached washroom. Now let's talk about the prices. If you can see, this project comes with much bigger sizes, hence you see that kind of price range. So studio on an average is about 900,000 dirhams. 1 bedroom 1.5 million, 2 bedroom 2.1 million, 3 bedroom plus maids around 3.1 million, 3 bedroom duplex around 6 million, and you also have 4 bedroom duplex options in this particular project, which is around 7.9 million dirhams. Just note that these are average prices. It can be higher or lower depending on when our token comes. The payment plan is going to be 60% under construction, 40% on handover, and it goes as follows. You have 10% on booking instead of 20%, which is why all other developers of Dubai, and then you have 5% every 6 months. So it gives you a lot of relaxation in terms of payment plan. Please note you have a 4% DLD charge, which is to be paid upfront, so it becomes 10 plus 4, 14% on booking, and you have 40% on the handover, which is in Q4 2029, and approximate service charges is going to be 18 dirham per square feet. Getting a unit in their launch is extremely challenging. In their last launch in the same community, more than 10,000 people were fighting just to get one unit for themselves. But I will try my best to get you a good unit. I don't need any prior amounts from you in terms of tokens. All I need is your passport copy, visa copy, and some more documents which I will ask over the WhatsApp. If you're looking for a unit, get in touch with me as soon as possible. If you are a first-time home buyer in Dubai, you've not bought any other house, you have an advantage to get a priority access over the inventory and pick up the best units. So for you, the registrations would be on 20th November in just few days time. So make sure you hand over me your documents well beforehand. 22 November. The registrations open for everybody else. So make sure you get in touch with me as soon as possible if you want a unit in this outstanding product. If you are looking for bulk units of let's say 10 units and you're going to buy a mix of studios, 1 beds, 2 beds, 3 beds, that's when also you're getting a priority even before the first time buyers. You can make a very high capital appreciation on the 2 and 3 bedroom units, especially because of higher ticket size, and it's in a family community. I have already shown in the map what's around for families. Hence, if you're interested in 2 and 3 bedrooms, get yourselves registered on priority. To register, get in touch with me. My WhatsApp handle is given below, my Instagram and LinkedIn as well. Me or my team will get in touch with you and get you registered as soon as possible. So this is Chelsea Kukreja signing out from today's video. I hope you had enough insight onto this groundbreaking project in Dubai, and I hope I'm able to get you the best unit. For all real estate updates related to Dubai and Dubai real estate in general, stay tuned on all of my videos. I am coming up with a lot more content and of course a lot more good properties for investment purposes. If not this, you're looking for any other investment opportunity, again get in touch with me. I'll get you what is best suited for you. See you in the next video. Keep sharing, liking and subscribing.